Hello, welcome to the 11th lecture of the total station, that is 12th lecture, and this will be our last lecture, and you will see how to upload or link the data files, right? How you are going to download the data from the total station, or you can say linking of the data files. Following are the general steps for data retrievation from the total station. If the data is there in the total station, how you are going to take it from total station into your system? Connect the total station to the computer by using the serial port RS323 or serial cable adapters or serial USB adapter, whichever is there. If there is an USB adapter, please connect it with the USB adapter. If there is a serial cable adapter, auto connect it with that. So depending upon the type of theodolite model or company, depends the connector. Right? Remove the other port series or device like modem, printers, scanners from the computer. Right? Remove other ports like modem, printer, scanner, etc. from the computer. Right? Select the data, transfer onto the computer from the total station in a transport mode and operating system of the computer. Right? Use the communication setup in the total station and a terminal application, that is total computer. Make the computer application reading for receiving data and save the log inputs. Send the command to the total station for data transportations. So this method of retrieving data will be varying with the different models of the or different companies, right? Different companies manufacture the different total stations. Depending upon their company quality type, this the process also varies. So don't get confused. You don't need to be remember this. Just understand how what are the things done, right? Received characters string with the scrolled in the log window of the computer. When you scroll, the scrolling stops, save the file. You will start receiving the files and the data from the total station into the computer. Once all the files have been uploaded into the computer, then stop the scrolling. Once the scrolling stops, save the files as a text file. Those are all C language files, so you have to set up it into a text. Right? It will automatically convert into, once you set a text file, it will convert it into a text. The received data will be in the text file. Right? Using MS Excel point ID number, measure the parameters and the coordinates be separate up. Using MS Excel point ID number, measured parameters and the coordinates are to be separated. Whichever are the measured points, like if the distance between 2 points is measured, that and the coordinates are to be separated with the help of the MS Word. Excel point with the help of the MS Excel. You are going to separate it. You are going to separate the data, coordinates, and also you are going to separate the distance that is measured by the total stations. After getting all the parameters, do simple calculations. We will be able to carry out the slope distance. You will get the slope distances. Once you do that, you will get the slope distances, horizontal angles, vertical angles needed, etc. Whatever you need, you will get from the text file, but you have to just separate it out. Right? This is what you do to get the data from the total station into the computer. Right? This is completes your last unit of a surveying 2. Right? This finishes your syllabus for surveying.